Hey guys, if you want to learn this simple and quick eye makeup look, then keep on watching. So, I'm starting off with this L'Oreal Infallible Concealer and placing it all over my eyelids. This will hide redness and darkness under your skin. Then to set my base, I'm using a setting powder. This will create a smooth canvas and making blending much easier. Then I'm going for Morphe X Gym Shots palette and I'm using this yellow tone shade and applying it as a transition shade. I'm applying it from the inner corner to the outer corner and using a circular motion. Then I'm grabbing this orange shade and placing it all over my lids. I'm using a small amount of the color first and gradually building it and using a circular motion. Then with a bigger fluffy brush, I blend it all out. Next, I'm grabbing this floral kajal and placing it above my lash line. I'm going for a thin line for this look. If you love a thick liner, then you can also apply it. Then with the flat brush, I am smudging the kajal and smudging it as much as possible for that smoky look. Make sure you take your time while smudging it and don't make a mess. Then I'm going with the shimmer shade and applying with my finger. Don't make a mistake while applying it with the finger as I just messed it. So I went with a flat brush and corrected it. Then again I'm going on with this floral kajal to darken the lash line. I'm also placing it on my lower lashes and you can apply it as dark as possible if you like that black smoky eyes. Then I'm using this shade to smoke out my lower lashes. I'm using a flat brush first, then use a fluffy brush and blend it all out. Then I'm curling my lashes and applying Smashbox Superfan Mascara. I'm coating up to 2 or 3 times and applying it on my upper and lower lashes. You can stop here or also apply false lashes as well. And this is the final eye makeup look. It's really easy to create. Please subscribe to my channel if you love eye makeup videos, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next one.